Hi, I'm Mrs. DiMatteo, and welcome to Geometry. I've been teaching math here at the high school for a number of years, and this course is by far my favorite. Why, you ask? Well, examples are often tangible, so we can see the math right in front of us, and they're applicable to the real world, so we can make connections between the math that we learn in the classroom and that which we see outside of the classroom. Now, we are going to take our skills from Algebra 1 and we're going to apply them to two-dimensional and three-dimensional shapes and their properties. I understand that this year offers its own set of challenges, but I believe if we work together and establish consistent routines that our students will thrive. I am so excited to be back in the classroom. I promise to take the challenges that this year provides, embrace them, and make the best of the situation. So, on that note, before we get started, how about a joke? What did the tree say to the acorn? Gee, I'm a tree. I'm here all day. All right, let's get down to some specifics. I'd like to start by giving you some background about myself. This is my 14th year teaching mathematics, my 13th year here at Ocean City High School, and my 12th year coaching girls varsity tennis. Professionally, teaching and coaching are definitely my two passions, and although this year has offered its own set of challenges, it's great to be back in the classroom and on the tennis courts. I'm married with 2 children. My son, Cruz, is 5 years old, and he just started his first year of kindergarten, and my daughter, Bryn, is 2.5, and she just started her first year of preschool. I have a bachelor's in mathematics, a second bachelor's in education, a master's in education with a specialization in math. But enough about me. Let's talk about geometry. If you need to contact me with any questions or concerns, please reach out to me via email, sdimatteo@ocsdnj.org, and I will be sure to get back to you within a timely manner. It's important that the students come prepared with a writing utensil, a notebook, and some folders, as well as a scientific calculator. This year I will not be giving out calculators, so it's imperative that the students come prepared with each of these items. Grading will be done on a point scale. All tests, quizzes, classwork, homework, participation will all have a point value. Your grade is determined by dividing the total number of points that you earn by the total amount of points that were available to earn. Taking the time to revisit the vocabulary terms from each lesson is an essential component of success in this course. Each lesson introduces new terms, and a strong understanding of these terms is needed to move forward with the curriculum. Listed below are the vocabulary terms from the first couple of lessons of this course. As you can see, we've covered a lot in a very short amount of time. So it's imperative that the students consistently review these terms so that when we build on them and apply them to mathematics, they have a strong foundational understanding and can thus be successful with the math that follows. Lastly, and perhaps most importantly, is our online platform, PowerSchool. It is your child's responsibility to log into PowerSchool on a daily basis, check our class page for specific instructions on daily assignments, and participate in video lessons, Zoom meetings, class notes, interactive activities, and printable worksheets will be available. Now I'd like to take a few moments to show you how to navigate our Classroom PowerSchool page. After choosing the geometry course that corresponds with your child's schedule, as seen here, as an example, I'm using my Period 4 Advanced Geometry. Once you click on that, you'll be taken to a main page. On the left-hand side, you'll see Class Pages. You want to click on the link for Class Pages, and that will bring you here to our Geometry class page. As you can see on the Welcome page, on the right-hand side of the screen, is the Remind app. Now here, this is a live feed of anything that I send via Remind. Will pop up not only in your child's Remind app on their phones, but it will also pop up in our classroom feed. As we scroll down here, you can see my rules and expectations are listed. We have links for our online textbook, directions on how to download apps such as the Remind app, how to create a Desmos account, Edpuzzle, how to log into Edpuzzle, which is the video program that I'll be using most frequently in this course. It allows me to create my own videos, embed my own questions, and it makes it so the students cannot fast forward through the video. This way they're watching the entire duration. It's important that everyone has the Zoom app. The Rocketbook app is being used to submit online work. Delta Math will be used as extra practice along with CUDA software, which is an online worksheet program, but it also allows us to give exams virtually if need be. GimKit is a program that allows us to practice examples from the class in a competitive manner, so we'll be competing against our peers playing the GimKit game. And lastly, we have Flipgrid. Flipgrid allows the students to make their own videos and send them to me, and it's a great way to interact when we're in a virtual setting. Now, if you go back to the top here, on the left-hand side, you can see all the dates. So we have our assignments from September 8th to 18th. I have assignments from the 21st to the 25th. And if you look, we'll take a look at this week, October 5th. Notice I have the two cohorts set up at the top of the page. Cohort O is the blue arrow, and Cohort C is the pink arrow. This will remain consistent for the entire year. And as we scroll down, if you're in Cohort O, let's say, so we'll take a look at the blue arrow, you're going to follow all the directions underneath. So the first set of directions is just a copy of our classroom notes. And feel free to scroll through those and revisit them. But these were the notes that were given during class. And as we continue to go down, you can see it says Wednesdays of virtual Zoom. We're going to have a whiteboard lesson, so a live lesson via Zoom. And then Wednesday's virtual assignment, as you can see here, will be simplifying radical expressions, which is what I will be teaching during our Zoom whiteboard session. Below that, you can see videos. Here we have the midpoint formula and corresponding worksheet. And then we have Friday's virtual lesson, which is the distance formula, and we also have a corresponding worksheet. So it is your child's daily duty to just log in and look underneath the arrow that corresponds with their cohort and just make sure they are up to date in all the assignments that are listed. Hope this was helpful. Thanks for tuning in.